We're Lucy and Mark, and we are currently in the beautiful country of Senegal. Getting here wasn't easy.
Problem because we have 150 euro for the bus fund.
But in the end, it was worth it.
진짜 좋았어. 아직까지 하늘이 핑크색이야.
Oh, so pretty. However, once we entered the capital city, Dakar,
Oh my god!
today we take the ferry to the infamous Goree Island to see its natural beauty and explore its dark past. Signs of voodoo here, maybe, huh? 이거 먹어봐. 맛있지? Uncle, one?
No.
What is your name?
Lucy.
Lucy. My name is Mama Nuga.
아, Mama Nuga?
Right.
Nuga. Okay. Mama Nuga.
Mama Nuga.
Mama Nuga.
She looks very good.
She's making sebong. Yay, I got it. 하지 마라. 난 그래도 오늘 진짜 너무 못생겼단 말이야. 마마 누가가 만든 트라바이 일 회사 만든.
Now she keeps smiling at us when she sees us.
You want to try? It's Mama Nuga made it. It's really soft.
So good, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna check the oil. We are leaving. We don't believe it.
Is it your second time to turn on the engine?
Don't like us, Ishmael. I said we are leaving now, and he said like.
Are you sure?
Finally! Get out of here. Yeah, finally we're ready to go.
Oh yeah.
You can, you can work without being bothered by us. Hopefully, we will see you in Calgary.
Yeah.
How long you're gonna stay there?
A couple days.
Most likely we'll be there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just in case. Bring it in.
Please take
You're
care,
giving us
please. Lucy.
Alright, yeah, just in case. You never
Very
know.
not funny. Yeah.
We don't want to regret not having that last time.
Yeah, that's true. Sometimes we say we are gonna see you, but somehow, it didn't work, and then,
Natalie,
Yeah.
ready?
hit the road.
Let's hit the road.
Get out of here, guys. I gotta work. Atlas Trotters. One more friend gone.
Yeah, we're friends.
Finally, they're gone. Finally. Yeah, 괜찮네. Bonjour. 오늘 어디 가지?
오늘은 고래 섬으로 갑니다. 고래 아일랜드. We bought the ferry ticket for the 5,200 for ferry and 500 for the tax.
Barely.
Yeah.
여기 앉을까?
고래섬 도착.
We have to go this way, I guess so. Hi, how are you? Good.
Where are you from?
Korea. Yeah. Thank you. I saw already on the book. Alright, here we go. Tourist time.
Bitte gut outside. Last name was it?
So what do you think of this island so far?
되게 이뻐. 근데 이쁜 동시에 약간 슬프지.
Yeah.
노예제도가 있었던 거. 노예를 팔던 곳이었으니까. 미국 가기 전에 있었던 곳이니까.
I like that one. Oh wow. Signs of voodoo here, maybe, huh?
이상하지 않아? 사람 머리카락 저렇게 많은 게?
We know they do voodoo here, so it's definitely voodoo.
우리는 무당이 있어.
Someone's been cursed for sure. This is Shane. This is the one they said come to, right?
So these are like a common juice. You
This
can
one's
find it.
from the hibiscus flower.
hibiscus. So hard to say. Baobab 나무 주스예요. We're gonna try as a plate or en mafe.
Yep. That's the peanut butter one, right?
나 피넛분 아니고 피넛.
Peanut butter.
야사플레 마페 땅콩 그거잖아. 피넛. 진짜 맛있는데? 진짜 맛있는데?
밥퍼같이 먹어야지.
You don't need the rice.
How about yours?
내 거? 먹어볼게. 호세가 계속 he said like we gotta try.
맛있네. Good?
잘 먹겠습니다.
네.
되게
맛있어?
맛있어.
Alright.
잘 선택했어. 비스밀라. Let's go back to home, alright? Now we have to take a ferry to go home actually. 오늘은 캠핑장을 떠나는 날입니다. Good? Okay, thank you. 나 버리고 가는 줄 알았네. 오늘 장난 안 치네. 문 잡으려고 그러면은 계속 시동 걸고 간다 이가니. 스피톤. 차오. 차오. 우리 일로 가야 돼? 캠핑장을 떠난다. 아프리카의 교통체증은 진짜 장난 아닌 것 같다. 세네갈 온 것 중에서 여기가 제일 이쁜 것 같다, 언니야. What the? 홀스네? 난 카울 자다. 오. 야, 이거 과속 방지턱 무슨 일? 야, 홀스 이쁘다. 야, 홀스 이쁘다.
But these speed bumps are really freaking annoying.
슈퍼마켓 그리고 은행이 함께 있어. 그러면 콤비프 이거지. 근데 이거 캠 봤어? 따는 거?
Yeah.
옛날식이야.
Right. I love it. It's pretty cool.
클래식. 나 나이 왜 이래?
Should we buy one of these guys?
이거 그거지. 이거가 돼지고기가 아니면 할라리가.
chicken.
이거는 뭐지? 저기 토마토?
Yeah.
This one is tomato basil. 똠야, do you wanna?
Yeah, let's get one.
바나나 우유. 한국이랑 똑같았으면 좋겠다. 파인애플 우유도 있어. Let's try this. It's good. Let's try other pineapple too, right?
Yeah.
535.
Let's get a few gazelle. 우리 지금 맥주 하나도 없지?
하나 남았다, 하나. 근데 약간 돼지고기 될 것 같은데, 이거?
바비큐 먹는
바비큐 할까? 졸로프? 우리 졸로프 치킨에 완전 빠졌잖아.
I guess you're not saying yes. It is Senegalese food though.
근데 맛있어. 약간 몇 개만 해달라고 하면 근데 약간 KFC보다 더 맛있는 것 같아. It's just like fries and I like it. It's crispy. 그리고 텐더 치킨 2개. Why we don't eat together? Because we're little piggies.